Have you ever thought about financing your retirement? Think about it. We finance our cars, homes, boats, and even cell phones. So why not finance our retirement? In this video, we will teach you how to leverage or use other people's money, the bank's money, to finance your retirement. Yes, it exists, so pay close attention because this is something your financial advisor, broker, and banker won't share with you. With that said, here's Daniela, one of our financial experts, to teach you how it all works.
All right, thank you, Navka. My name is Daniela. I'm one of the co-founders of My Infinite Retirement. And at the end of this video, you will actually learn a smart way on how to use leverage, which is what successful people do all the time, using other people's money, basically. And also make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell below to be notified when we upload new videos, and let's get started. The most successful people have one thing in common. They utilize leverage. And leverage is nothing more than using borrowed money to invest. Leverage can be applied to anything from a home purchase to stock market speculation, and also businesses widely use leverage to fund their growth. And think about it. What are you saving for? A fancy car? That 4-bedroom home with a big backyard? Your kids' college because you don't want them to start out their adult life with debt? How about your 401k, IRA, 403b, retirement account? Well, for 3 out of the 4, we oftentimes end up borrowing money. And then here's the question. Why not using borrowed money or leverage to fund your retirement? And that's really what premium financing is all about. It's using leverage to fund your retirement. And the concept has been around for decades and used to be accessible only to high net worth income earners. And now there are strategies for the middle class to access this leverage and using OPM or other people's money to fund their retirement. Let's dive more into some details. Premium financing is a strategy where a financial institution pays all or part of an insurance premium to help fund a big cash value permanent life insurance policy. They basically loan you the money. And then the bank is later repaid either through the cash value appreciation or the death benefit proceeds. And there are really 2 main reasons why individuals would use premium financing. First of all, high net worth clients, who desire an additional tax-free income stream during their retirement years, or if a significant death benefit is needed to be passed on to the heirs or to protect the family. And so why would somebody do, again, premium financing? It's for wealth creation, wealth preservation. For businesses, it would be key man coverage, buy-sell agreements, succession planning, and, of course, retirement funding. And have you ever thought about who else do you count on to fund your retirement? Well, let's see. How about the government? Well, basically, that would be Social Security. And the average Social Security benefit check is about $1,500 a month. That really sounds like a great retirement. And on top of that, Social Security benefits and payouts are supposed to get reduced by 2035 because there won't be enough money to be paid out to all the retirees drawing from Social Security. I mean, just look at the deficit. It's projected to be at $32 trillion. Well, what about your employer? Unless you're one of the lucky ones who started working for an employer many, many years ago when they still offered a pension, you're pretty much out of luck. Pensions are only offered for public service employees such as teachers, police officers, state, federal, county employees. That's about it. And then there's one person left, and that would be you. And with 84% of working households falling short of their retirement, that doesn't sound too promising either. So then let's go back to premium financing. Let's take a look at how it works. And remember, the one word is leverage. Used borrowed capital for an investment and expecting the profits made to be greater than the interest that's payable. And the vehicle that's used to make it all happen is a cash value permanent life insurance policy. And historically, life insurance was considered a big expense to cover any financial need if somebody would pass away. And you've probably heard of term and invest the rest. Well, as mortality tables have continued to drop, meaning people live longer and therefore insurance gets more inexpensive, now insurance carriers have more focused on the growth element of a life insurance contract, the rest. And now you're probably saying or wondering, what? Life insurance? Well, let me give you some facts. Life insurance is actually the safest place to store your cash in America today. It's not a bank, it's not in a safe, it's in a life insurance policy where it's even out of the reach of the government and creditors. And let me show you some of the additional other benefits that come along with that. First of all, tax-deferred growth. Tax-free income, even before 59 and a half. A market-driven rate of return, so market-like returns, but without the stock market risk, so you can never lose any of your principal. Living benefits, if there should be a situation for a nursing home or a major illness such as cancer, stroke, heart attack, you could tap into that. Liquidity and access to the cash value, even before 59 and a half. Then also the death benefit is tax-free to your heirs. And lastly, with the premium financing, you can use leverage and other people's money to fund most or even all of that policy. And let's take a look. Since it's one of the safest places to store money in America today, guess who else buys and invests in life insurance plans? Well, just take a look at our government. They actually have been using the concept of permanent life insurance for many, many years. And for instance, the late Senator John McCain, when he was campaigning years ago, he used part of his life insurance cash value to fund his campaign to keep running. And then who else knows about this? How about the banks? As a matter of fact, banks just love investments in life insurance and lend money to finance life insurance policies because it's one of the safest investments and it's backed by very strong financial institutions, which are insurance companies. And after the 2008 crisis, many of the largest banks that you can see down here, they tripled their holdings in life insurance policies. Well, I guess that tells you something, right? All right, so let's do a little recap of what we've learned today and what the takeaways were. Remember, premium financing is using other people's money, essentially the bank's money, to fund the policy. And it's mainly used to finance a large life insurance policy to leave behind for the heirs or to be used as a tax-free retirement supplement. And the financial instrument that's used is a large cash value permanent life insurance policy. And permanent life insurance has many benefits over traditional retirement vehicles, such as you have access to tax-free cash even before retirement. There's a tax-free death benefit, and also there's access to funds in case of a major illness or even a nursing home type of situation. And then lastly, premium financing used to be only for the ultra-rich, but now there are strategies how middle-class Americans can qualify for it. All right, and what's next? Well, if you like the concept of using OPM or other people's money, then contact us to find out if you could actually qualify for premium financing. And also check out our videos about how the Roth alternative works and why planning for a tax-free retirement is so important, and also other tax-free retirement strategies in one of our other videos. And lastly, remember to subscribe to our channel and also comment in the box below.
Thank you, Daniela. That's it today for premium financing. We hope you found these insights valuable and see the power in leveraging other people's money or the bank's money to fund your retirement.
Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell below to be notified when we upload new videos every week. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. And if you like what you saw here today, then just click the link below to become our client so we can further educate you on how to set up your own infinite retirement plan. And always remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. So thank you again for watching, and we will see you next time.